Fried cod is a traditional dish, typical of Mediterranean cuisine, so simple to make. Let's prepare it together. Rinse the pre-soaked cod under fresh running water. Place it on a wooden cutting board. Pull the skin by exerting pressure on the cod's flesh with the other hand. Dry the cod. Remove any remaining bones and finally, cut the cod into regular pieces, approximately 5 times 2 cm in size. Prepare the batter by mixing the flour with ice-cold sparkling water to obtain a smooth and fluid dough without lumps. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. Heat a generous amount of vegetable oil in a large and deep frying pan. The oil should reach a temperature of about 180 C356 F. Dip the cod pieces into the batter and fry them in the hot oil, a few at a time, for about 5 minutes or until they are golden and crispy. Drain the fried cod pieces on a tray lined with absorbent paper for frying. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.